In this video, we'll go over some of the methods to level up fast in Honkai Star Rail. First things first, it's important to note that you should not level up your characters to the maximum level. This may seem counterintuitive, but leveling up to the maximum level wastes time that you could use for other characters. Instead, you should level up your characters to level 35 to 37, but not beyond the Ascension level. To level up your characters efficiently, you need to add XP to the items. To level up your characters efficiently, you need to add XP items to them. There are three types of XP books in HCR: Travel Encounters, Adventure Logs, and Traveler's Guides, with increasing amounts of XP respectively. You can obtain XP books from Calyxes, assignments, daily training missions, operation briefings, Forgotten Hole, and Nameless Honor. Once you have your XP items, focus on relics and light cones to improve your stats. While leveling up is important, it doesn't give you many stats. Therefore, it's more effective to use relics and light cones to improve your character's stats. Enemies give XP, so make sure to fight all the enemies on each map once a day to gain XP. Every time you fight enemies, they give you XP, and all characters in your team will gain XP, not just one. Lastly, remember that XP isn't just for one character. All characters in your team will gain XP. This means that you can effectively farm more materials by not leveling up to the maximum level. In summary, to level up fast in Honkai Star Rail, don't level up to the maximum level, add XP items to your characters, focus on relics and light cones, fight enemies to gain XP, and remember that XP is shared between all characters in your team. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Subscribe.